Just remind me not to do a crochet again at 38 weeks pregnant because I'm tired.
You a bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, saucy.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am just going to go ahead and show you a quick hairstyle that I'm doing for my maternity leave because I am currently 38 weeks pregnant. I am tired and I need to get this hair done before this baby gets here. I am starting off with my hair braided, of course. Everything is basically connected in the back, and I'm just going to go ahead and show you how I just tuck the braids in so I can get started with this crochet. The hair I'm using is the Jamaican Bounce curl, of course, but this is actually the 3x pack, so it's just actually 3 bundles in each packet. And of course, you know, at my beauty supply store, it was $8.99 a pack, and they were buy one get one free. So your girl had to stock up on a lot of hair because, you know, I would definitely be installing this hair again and again and again. So why not, you know, just go ahead and. Now, when it comes to splitting this hair, I usually split it 2 or 3 times, just depending on where I want to split it or how it splits, or, you know, how much thickness I want. Typically, I will split 2. Then when I get to the middle, I'll split 3 times. But, you know, with any curly hair, I will definitely twist that curl once I split it back around my finger to minimize the frizz, because don't nobody want no frizzy hair too early before I give birth, because that's just not what's up right now. Who would have thought I would be tired literally just putting hair inside my hair? Just get through this hairstyle so we can be done for this baby to come, okay? Okay. Now, of course, with the invisible method, you're going to take a small piece of hair, separate that. Definitely, you know, bring that curl back to life by curling it back around your finger. And then you're going to go ahead and crochet that piece of hair, but instead of actually bringing both pieces over to crochet, you're just going to go ahead and bring over one piece, as you can see, and loop that twice, and just bring the other piece of hair right over just like that. So it's pretty simple to do. I'm quite sure you've probably seen a lot of invisible methods, but this definitely makes the hair look as natural as possible. And so that way you don't have to see those knots, because I hate seeing the knots in the middle of my head. Nobody wants to see that. All right, so this is the hair all done. It took me about an hour and a half. Yeah, about an hour and a half to install this whole head. I actually used only 1 pack of this hair, which is technically 3 bundles in it. So basically 3 bundles of hair. But you know, if your store has these packs, if they're on sale, I definitely recommend them, because like I said, these were buy one get one free at my hair store, my local beauty supply store, and they were $8.99 a pack. So basically I bought 4 packs for like $16, and I have a bunch of hair left over, meaning I can install this hair a multitude of times basically. So yeah, you know, this is going to be installed again. Let me tell you what it looks like in the back. Hopefully it's not too bad. You know, I definitely wanted to give y'all a fresh result of what this hair looks like right now, in the color too. So, you know, it looks very natural. I have the invisible part method I did in the front, so that way it looks like it's coming out of my scalp. You know, you gotta have that. But yeah, I'm really feeling this. And of course, you know, it's lightweight, it's easy to wear. So that way, when I'm giving birth, I won't have any troubles and pull and twist back and all the other jazz. But yeah, let me know what y'all think of this hairstyle. Hopefully I can make another video in between. I might not, but because I'm about to be giving birth like probably this week or next week, who knows. But I will see y'all hopefully in my next video down the line with my son. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Bye guys.